Hello, painting peeps, and welcome. It's Kathleen from CozCreations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone number 2, guys. I'm happy to be down here. I'm feeling great today, and I came down to do some swiping, some landscape swiping, or whatever we decide to do as we go along, and we're working with some absolutely stunning colors today. But I want to talk about something really quick. FAB, Fluid Art Boutique, has just announced that they are going to be doing their second event coming up this October in Delray Beach, Florida. Now, this girl has been traveling to Delray Beach for many, many years, and I absolutely love it there. The venue that they have set up is phenomenal. It's actually in the old Cornell Art building or museum, and it's beautiful. It's near the water. There are several very cost-effective hotels, lots of things going on, and they have some wonderful things planned. Now, they have not announced yet, or we have not announced yet, the lineup of artists, and there's some really, really wonderful things in the works. But I wanted to let you all know, because a few people, actually several people, have reached out to me saying, Kathleen, are you going? And tell me you'll be at FAB, and I'm a Floridian and I've been longing for this and whatnot. Well, Kathleen will not be attending the FAB event in Delray Beach, much to my sadness, because I have a previous family obligation that entire week. But I promise you to be at the next one, guys. I promise you more will be happening in the near future. And I want to wish my fellow talented artists, Mina, Sarah Mac, and Karen Durson from Waterfall Acrylics, all the best, as well as their guest artists. They will be in my heart and my mind during the entire event. You all get down there to see them, because it will be something spectacular. So enough about that. We've got what do we have here? 12 by 12 canvases, and I'm going to do one at a time, but I'm probably going to be doing two. Our colors are my jam, guys. I absolutely love it, and this is new to me. Mixed Media Girl, Darling Marcy, sent me this paint, and it's got my name written all over it. Now, this is her pre-mixed paint, pouring paint, and this is called Chocolate Magic. Marcy, I thank you, and I can't wait to get this down on the canvas. This right here is kind of a little experiment. That is Golden Fluid Acrylics. I found this when I was cleaning things out the other day, and that's their Burnt Umber Light. And I added to it a couple of squirts of the Liquitex alcohol ink and the transparent Burnt Umber, just to see what it does, just to fiddle, just to experiment, just to play. Let's take a look at that. That's chocolatey goodness as well, guys. Right here, oh, Michael's, everywhere I've checked, is out of stock of Artist Loft Soft Body in the black. So I grabbed me some Liquitex Basics in the Mars Black. Now, it's not quite as black as I would like, and I added a couple of drops to that as well to make some more chocolatey goodness of the alcohol ink in the Burnt Umber. So we'll see. We're playing, we're experimenting. That's half the fun of things. Gorgeous color right here, guys. If you haven't tried the new TLPs, oh, what are you waiting for? FluidArtCo.com. That is this little piggy, and that is their Zeus, and it's all gone. It's all gone, and I am sad, because this piggy is absolutely spectacular. Right here, so many people's favorite, guys, DecoArt, 40% off this week. And if you don't mind, my affiliate link to DecoArt is in the description box. If you use it, this girl gets a little bit of a discount, and every little bit helps. But this is DecoArt Metallics in their 24 karat gold right here in this cup. I mean, Look at this goodness, guys. That is shimmery wonder right there. I might even use some of it right out of the container today. We will see. Beautiful paint, golden fluid acrylics. That is their turquoise. Now my paints are very thin today because we're using a lot of fluid paints and the piggies. We had to add a little bit of GAC 800 to the Mars Black because it is a medium body paint. And I'm getting off track here, guys. What do we have right here? That is burnt sienna golden fluid paints. This right here, oh my goodness, this plays so well with burnt umber and golds and browns and coppers and even reds. That is golden fluids, the Q word in the nickel azo gold, and I added to it just a drizzle of the DecoArt metallics and the 24 karat gold. Now all of our paints, guys, are going to be listed in the description box below. Just click on that button and it will take you to all the information that you need. Right here, just more of the Mars Black by Liquitex if we need a little bit of a base coat. So I'm going to be swiping and tilting left to right. Swiping and tilting down. We're just gonna play because this girl feels great today. I'm glad you're here playing with me, guys. Let's get busy.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. Say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. I know it's nothing new, but it's so good to see you. Do this every day, and I'm still so amazed by you. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two. lucky. Oh, 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 oh. Still can't believe you love me. I hope it never ends, this being more than friends, yeah. You know I'm here to stay every single day, yeah. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you. So lucky, oh, 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 oh. Still can't believe you love me. Falling into your arms, dancing up in the stars. Oh, where I'd rather be than with you. So lucky, oh, 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 oh. Still can't believe you love me. Oh, 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 oh. Can't believe you love me. Oh, 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 oh. I just feel so lucky.